start having these problems where your windows are not working or your lock and unlock button stops working, I'm gonna show you what to do. A few months before this, I started having this problem. I had to get my heater core replaced, and you notice that they took everything out, the dashboard, the steering wheel, everything. But then once they did that and got it fixed, I got my heater core fixed, I noticed that a couple of months later, these buttons stopped working. Sometimes they work when I hit a bump or hit the door, it'll start working. This is the problem. Here go how you fix it. First thing what you want to do is open your door, and you want to take your panel right here down here on the floor, and it's just on a couple of locks. You just pull it up, you won't break nothing. You hear it snap. Once you take that off, and you see these are your little hooks right here, it's no tool you need. You just need to just take your hand and pull up on it, and it'll pop loose. Then you want to go under and unscrew this little nut here. Just go counterclockwise. Once you take that off, this little side panel will come right off. And once it comes off, what you're gonna do, you want to check and make sure all the connectors are okay. What the problem I had was my connectors were loose. Whenever he put it back together, start putting my dash and everything back together, he just barely slid those connectors in. So that's why it was very confusing, because whenever I hit a hump or something, it works and sometimes it don't work. So what you want to do is just take that panel off and check all your connections, make sure they are snapped into place. And you just push on them and make sure it's not loose, and pull. Don't pull too hard, but just make sure that those connectors are put back in place. I'm gonna show you what my connector was doing. So when I looked under there, I looked at all my connectors. I had a couple of them that was just in the slot. Look at this. See, it's not even clicked in all the way. So when I pulled on it, it came right out. And the problem was, sometimes it make contact and sometimes it doesn't. So what you want to do is take those connectors, just push it in until it clicks. I don't know if you heard that or not, but it did click into place. Make sure it's good connector. Now check this out. My window is going to start working now. And my lock and unlock button, everything worked perfect. So the only thing it was is a couple of loose connectors. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.